listening and speaking practice of daily use English sentences. What are you interested in? I am interested in learning English. What are you keen on? I am keen on sports. What are you fond of? I am fond of music. What do you enjoy doing? I enjoy spending time with my friends. What do you think about it? I think we need to try it. What do you want to buy? I want to buy some clothes. What does he do for a living? He teaches English. Which Indian states have you already visited? I visited few Indian states. Which countries have you been to? Well, I have been to New Zealand and Australia. What kind of food do you like? I like Indian food. What kind of food do you prefer to eat? I prefer to eat homemade food. What time do you usually get up? I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. What time do you usually go to bed? I go to bed at 9 o'clock at night. What time is it? What was your result? What would you like to buy? What's the time? It's 4:45. What's the matter? What's up? What's your native village? When are you leaving? In 5 minutes. When did it happen? When did you see him or her last time? When do you usually get up? Very early in the morning. When do you usually go to bed? I go to bed very late at night. When does the bus leave? The bus leaves at 5 p.m. When is your birthday? My birthday is on 5th of January. When will he or she come back? When will they arrive? When will you be back? I'll be back in 5 minutes. When will you be ready? I'll be ready in 10 minutes. Where are they? They are at the college. Where are you going? I am going to college. Where did you learn English? Where do you want to go? I want to go to the market. Where is my jacket? It's over here or over there. Where would you like to go? I would like to go to the movie. Why are you so late? Will you do it? Yes, I'll do it. Would you like some water? Yes, please. Can you wake me up at 5 o'clock tomorrow morning? He makes it a rule to take a walk every morning. She stayed at that place for a short while. The train from Mumbai leaves from the platform. While you are young, you should exercise a lot. I'm just writing a letter to my girlfriend. She said she was tired, so she would go home early. I wish I could go to the party with you. What time does the train for Delhi depart? I have a lot of friends to help me. You should have told me a long time ago. You have to study hard to catch up with your class. Did you have a good time on your trip to Australia? I don't like to go out when it's cold. I do not like tea, so I generally drink milk for breakfast. He or she has not written to us since last month. He or she always speaks in a very loud voice. I was just about to come looking for you. He or she wrote this book at the age of 25. You must be at the station by 2 o'clock. I am going to my room where I can study. Some people like white clothes and some people like black clothes. We will leave in an hour. I am looking for a present for my mother and father. He or she was kind enough to take me to the hospital. Is this ladder strong enough to bear his weight? Prices are double what they were 1 month ago. How much did it cost? How many days in a week do you work? How much did you pay? How much is it? How much is this sweater? How was the lesson? How was the party? How was your trip? Is it far? No, it's quite near. Is it interesting for you? Very interesting. Is it near? No, it's very far. Yes, it's near. Is it possible? Yeah, it's quite possible. Is this size okay for you? No, it's too big, or you can say no, it's too small. What about Sunday? It's okay. Please like and share this video. Support and encourage us. Do subscribe our channel and click bell icon for more videos.